Winter Storm 2022. 1 minute of snowfall. It is dumped on us. All the roads are covered. Please be safe if you have to get out. Not worth it. However, the liquor stores will be open all day today. You must get out, stock up, get your liquor supplies, stay warm. It's going to be a mess. In the teens all day today, into single digits tonight. I mean, look at this. This is after going on 2 minutes of snowfall, guys. This is crazy in Tennessee. Stay safe out there, guys. I love y'all. We'll see y'all around.